Hey everyone, over here we're going to break down one of the most talked about changes in iOS 26.1, the new toggle that lets you control the liquid glass transparency. Okay, let's get into it. So, Apple finally gave users what they've been asking for: control. You can now switch between tinted and clear liquid glass styles. Tinted looks really nice in dark mode. It's got that smoked glass vibe that feels more premium. Wow, right? It looks more like real glass and less like plastic when it's tinted. Some users say they'd love a setting to just increase blur without adding more tint. Imagine that classic iOS 7 frosted blur effect coming back. That would look incredible within this new design. Others are like, who cares if it looks like plastic or paper? As long as it's readable, it's good. And honestly, they're not wrong. Readability matters most. A few people also mentioned that it's hard to argue against options. This is good. It's great to have a choice instead of being stuck with one look. But not everyone's cheering. Some say liquid glass is supposed to be the centerpiece of Apple's new design language, and adding an opt-out toggle kinda shows Apple knows it's controversial. One user even joked that Steve Jobs is probably rotating in his grave, and that the rolling Steve under Apple Park is now the largest perpetual motion device ever. And then there's that classic line, Apple giving users control? Hell has frozen over. So yeah, people are noticing this shift. Apple's actually listening to feedback, and that's something we don't see every day. Anyways, I gotta say this change makes iOS 26.1 feel more personal. You can make out a look that fits you. Darker, clearer, or something in between. Apple's finally giving a bit of creative control back to the user, and that's a bright move. If you've tried it already, comment which mode you like more. Tinted or clear, and why? I'd love to hear your take on it.